Amatrol's Mechanical Drives 1 learning system teaches mechanical drive installation and operation, motor drive alignment, and the applications of various motor drive systems. Users gain hands-on skills for shaft, belt, gear, and chain drives using real-world motor drive components. These skills are crucial for technicians working with mechanical drives in a multitude of industries, including power generation, food processing, transportation, manufacturing, and more. This learning system includes a 2-panel mobile workstation that features a multi-drawer storage unit, locking protective cover, and various components for building and operating specific motor drive systems. These components include a constant speed drive motor, variable speed motor, motor control unit, Prony brake, digital tachometer, alignment and measurement package, and much more. Users will utilize these components to practice multiple hands-on skills, including mounting and leveling an electric motor, installing a flexible jaw coupling, adjusting chain sag to a specified amount, aligning 2 shafts using a straight edge and a feeler gauge, measuring gear backlash, and more. The included multimedia curriculum covers a variety of relevant topics, such as mechanical drive systems, key fasteners, power transmission systems, belt tensioning, multiple shaft drives, and sleeve couplings. The Mechanical Drives 1 system also allows for optional expansion systems to be added so that users can study conveyors, laser shaft alignment, vibration analysis, and more. For more information, contact an Amatrol representative today.